Guys, magre-react ako pagkatapos ng video na ito. Guys, yung video na ito ay tungkol sa pagdating ng US tsaka UK military at saka yung military vehicles. Dumating na sa Subic. Tsaka yung mga sundalo, mga 20,000 na sundalo, kombinasyon ng UK at saka US. Naglapag din sila sa Clark Air Base. Yung mga vehicles, military vehicles, naglapag sa Subic Naval Base. So, ang pinadala ng US tsaka UK, mga 20,000 soldiers, tsaka almost 300 military vehicles. Tara, panoorin natin. Let's go!
U.S. and U.K. troops ready in the Philippines, 300 military vehicles and 20,000 troops deployed. The British naval vessel Hurst Point arrived at Subic Bay Port, Philippines, on June 26, 2024, carrying nearly 300 military vehicles and equipment to support large-scale operations. This equipment will be transported and deployed in several areas under threat of attack from China. This operation is a tangible step towards ensuring that the Southeast Asian region remains stable and secure, said a UK military official. We are committed to supporting the Philippines in dealing with any threats that may arise. The Hurst Point, a British military cargo ship, carries a range of combat equipment including armored vehicles, artillery, and logistical support. This equipment will be transported and deployed in several strategic areas in the Philippines that are considered high risk against potential attacks from China. This move shows the strong commitment of the UK and US in defending their allies in Southeast Asia. The deployment is part of a massive US and UK deployment in the Philippines, involving around 20,000 troops. These troops include multinational ground brigades, air, maritime, and special forces components. The deployment of US and UK equipment and troops to the Philippines demonstrates the country's strong commitment to maintaining stability and security in the region. The presence of 20,000 military personnel, including elite US forces ready to mobilize within 24 hours, is a strong message to those who wish to disturb the peace. The British cargo ship Hurst Point unloaded nearly 300 pieces of military equipment, including armored vehicles, weapons, and ammunition. The equipment will be transported and deployed in several areas under threat from Chinese attacks. U.S. elite troops are also deployed as a spearhead element that is always ready to move. This force is about 20,000 strong and is a force trained to carry out dangerous missions quickly and precisely. The deployment of these troops and equipment comes amid rising tensions in the South China Sea region. China has been increasing its military activities in the region, and the US and UK have repeatedly expressed their concerns over China's actions. The deployment also demonstrates the US and UK's commitment to support the Philippines, which is their key ally in the Southeast Asian region. The deployment is also a clear signal to China that the US and UK will not tolerate aggression in the region.
Guys, ito na yung hinahanap ng China. Lagot kayo ngayon. So, talagang naghahanda na yung US at saka UK dahil nga sa pinaka-latest na nangyari doon sa sa gilid ng Sierra Madre. Kakatakot na ito. Pero ito na yung hinahanap ng ng China. Na grabe yung pambubuli nila sa mga Coast Guard natin at saka mga Navy. Nakaka-high blood na ito eh. Sobra-sobra na yung pang-aapi nila eh. Sobrang bully talagang mga inchik na ito. Lang sila, matapang lang sila dahil malaki sila at saka marami sila. Ngayon, dahil pinanindigan na ng US, UK at saka mga kalyado, andyan pa yung Japan, South Korea, yung Australia, Canada at marami pang iba, yung Germany, France, UK. So ito na yan, ito na yung hinahanap ng China. Sa history, wala namang binatbat yung China na yan Wala namang naipanalo na na giyera So, malamang hindi takot din yan sila mag-umpisa ng giyera kasi alam nila na wala silang kakampi. Solo-solo nila ang daming kakampi ng Pilipinas. Andyan yung US, yung UK, tapos yung NATO. Napakaraming kakampi ng Pilipinas. Pati yung ibang part ng Middle East kumakampi din sa Pilipinas Talagang walang kakampi yung China. Kaya ito na yung bagay sa kanila. Yung matagal na nilang hinahanap. Tingnan natin kung talagang matapang silang mag-start ng giyera. Kasi sa katunayan lang napapaligiran yung China Ang daming kalaban ng China kasi bully nga sila. Sa Asia pa lang ang dami ng kalaban, halos lahat kalaban nila. Kahit yung part ng territory nila, yung Taiwan nga galit sa kanila, Singapore, Hong Kong, halos lahat ng Asian, tapos buong mundo na sumasalay na yung taga-Europe yung hindi lang Asia, hindi lang mga neighbors nila, pati yung kahit malayo sa kanila kasi sobra-sobra yung pang-aapi nila, nakikita naman ng buong mundo. So ito na ngayon, nakahanap na sila ng katapat nila na napuno na ng mga military yung Pilipinas, kalat-kalat na nagre-ready na yung US tsaka yung mga kalyado. Nagpadala na rin yung ang dami nang nagpadala doon ng mga sundalo nila Ngayon UK pa lang at saka US, pero sigurado may darating na pag natuloy, wag naman sana. Sigurado magpapadala yung yung Australia, Japan, South Korea, Canada. Ang dami pang magpadala, France. Walang walang kakampi yung China pag inumpisa nila, nako. Wag silang magkamali kasi matatalo at matatalo sila. So guys, pag-pray na lang natin na hindi matuloy. Sana matakot ang China na mag-start ng kaguluhan na yan. At maganda pa rin yung yung katahimikan sa buong mundo, di ba? Pag giyera kasi ang pinag-usapan, walang panalo, walang talo Lahat-lahat talo. Especially kung gugamit sila ng yung nuclear bomb o nuclear weapon. So, ipag-pray natin tuloy-tuloy pa rin na magkaroon ng katahimikan at sana tumigil na yung China sa pang-aapi nila sa mga Pilipino sa Pilipinas. Pang-aapi nila sa mga Coast Guard natin sa mga Navy. So, hanggang dito na lang guys ang ating reaction video. By the way, kung bago pa lang po kayo sa aking YouTube channel, please paki-support po. Please like this video. At yung hindi pa ka na-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, paki-subscribe naman po. At paki-share na rin po. Huwag niyong kalimutan na i-hit yung notification bell para updated pa kayo sa aking mga reaction videos. Salamat po sa inyong pakikinig, panonood. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye for now. Salamat po.